Hello and welcome to Money Sprinkles, where we talk about personal credit and business credit. This week I have been concentrating solely on business credit, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to build your Experian business credit profile so you can start having that score improve and you can start seeing movement on it, okay? Before we get started, I'd like to say thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and thank you so much for my loyal subscribers. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. This means the world to me, and what it means is that I can continue making all these videos and being able to educate you in the field of personal and business credit. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started because it kind of sounded a little bit drabby, but no, okay. So today, as I stated earlier, it is going to be about how to build your Experian business credit file, okay? So the first thing you want to know is that your Experian business credit file, the perfect number that you want to be at is 76. That's what I consider the goal with Experian business credit. And again, that is what's considered the low risk company, okay? So what that means to you is that's your goal, 76. Just like that 80 paydex for DNB or Duns & Bradstreet, that's the same thing for Experian, is 76. Okay, so let's continue. Sorry about that interruption. So the factors that you need to take into consideration when you're preparing for your Experian business credit profile is one, your payment history, age of your credit history, debt and debt usage, sort of like that utilization, and industry risk, meaning are you a high risk company, low risk company, and the company size. Okay, I have a video on YouTube, Money Sprinkles, that describes how you should set up your business. If you go to it and watch it, I give you all the details that you need to know on how to properly set up your business in order for you to start applying for business credit. One of the things that you want to do also is gonna be to apply to nav.com, and you want to apply to the Business Boost. Yes, it's $39.99 a month, but it does report to your business credit. Second thing that you might want to do, it is the Business Loan Builder, which is $49.99. I'm not getting paid. I'm not an affiliate for nav.com. I'm just recommending these things if you are wanting to build your Experian business credit profile rapidly and quickly. Okay, these are two things that you can do to boost that: the Nav Business Boost and the Business Loan Builder. Yes, $39.99 and $49.99. And then if you do that, you have just started and you have just built some business credit. Now, you could go the net 30 vendor route. To me, I tried it and I thought it was rather expensive to do the net 30 vendor account way, because you're always buying stuff that you don't need and you're trying to see where you could. I just did not find it useful to do the net 30 accounts, and you're going to spend more money because you have to spend at least $100 before these vendors can actually start reporting. So $39.99 and $49.99 to me is an awesome way to start and get your business credit started. So let's talk about banks that build business credit score and they actually report. Number one, Chase. Chase currently reports to Experian. The SBFE, which is a small business financial exchange, which is one of the credit reports on the business side of the house, they report to DNB and Equifax. So Chase is one that you definitely would like to have. And that Chase Inc., I have a video on it. You might want to check that one out. Chase Inc. is an amazing business credit card to have. Capital One, they report to DNB, Experian, and SBFE as well. And Citi, Experian, SBFE, DNB, and Equifax. Those are my top three that I would definitely recommend you to go on ahead and apply to start building your business credit. Then you have Bank of America. They report to the SBFE, so does Wells Fargo. US Bank reports to DNB and to SBFE. PNC reports to SBFE. And Amex reports to SBFE and DNB. Again, I am going to touch a little bit on the net 30 vendors, but to me is a long and a tedious process. But if you cannot PG because your personal credit is not great. And when I say great, it has to be at least a 650, 680 in order for you to be able to personal guarantee the business credit cards. But if you're not there yet, then you might want to start, or you might want to go the route of net 30s. Okay, I recommend to build your Experian Business Credit Score to use Summa Office, which they report to Experian and Equifax. NAV, as I stated earlier, because they report to Experian, Equifax, and DNB. And Strategic Network Solution, because they definitely report to Experian. Yes, you have to make purchases. Some of these you're gonna have to purchase at least $100. But if you want to build it, going that route with the net 30, you have that option. Or you could always go back to, like I said, NAV Business Boost and the Business Loan Builder. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to inform you of the options that you have to build your Experian Business Credit Score. Now, if you want to do it fast, I would go the NAV route. Because NAV route, you go ahead and you build it, and then you're able to PG. You could get Chase, Capital One, and Citi. Let's talk about some credit cards that you might want to look into to build your Experian Business Credit Card File. Capital One, Spark Business. The only thing I don't like about Capital One is that Capital One reports to your personal side. So that's the only thing I don't like about Capital One. Data points for Capital One, 580 credit score, FICO 8. It's a hard pull on all three of your bureaus. And then it reports to DNB, Experian, SBFE. Second credit card that I would recommend is CorePay Business Credit Card. Data points, hard pull on Experian. Credit score of at least a minimum 600. This is a startup for a new business credit card, and they report your activity to DNB, Experian, and Equifax. One thing to note on the CorePay is that CorePay Business Credit Card is a net 21. It's not net 30, so you have to pay your bill within 21 days. Keep that in mind. Of course, I will always recommend my favorite credit union, Navy Federal Business. It pulls from Experian, but remember, it does not report to your business credit at all. So it's just basically you have a credit card that you can go on ahead and charge up and have a high utilization. It doesn't report to your personal or your business. That's Navy Federal Business Credit Card. And last but not least, we have First National Bank of Omaha, FNBO, which their data points are Experian. They do have a pre-approval process. It's a soft pull on your Experian, and then it's a hard pull once you accept. And again, they report to your DNB on your business side, okay? So I hope this helps. This is a quick wrap-up, a quick wrap-up on how to build your Experian Business Credit Score, Credit File. If you have liked this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, also turn on your notification bells because I make videos like this every day of the week, okay? If you enjoyed my background, this was me in Hawaii in November. Beautiful, okay? Again, thank you for watching.